Alright guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing very well. Now the other day when I was animating, I ran across a very basic problem, but if you don't know the solution, well you don't know. So I'm here to save your day. So essentially I was animating this puppet. And obviously I've got wiggle bones, I've got deformers, I've got the mesh as well, and obviously I've got fur, because it's a puppet. Now what I generally do is I disable the particle system just to see how it animates. But when I built the armature, what had happened is the armature had actually been put underneath in the modifier stack. Now, if you're not paying attention and you just go to render, what will happen is when you go to render, when I put the fur on, the fur won't follow the mesh. And the reason for this is because of the way the modifier's organised. You'll notice that the armature comes last. It should essentially come first in the sequence. And once you do that, it then attaches. Now, I know this is probably very simple, and if you've used modifiers, you're probably thinking to yourself, Stephen, you're an idiot. What are you thinking about here? But hopefully this fixes your issue. So if you ever run across an issue where fur's not sticking to an object, or something's just not working correctly, just check the modifier stack and check the way that it's ordered. Same with subdivision and stuff like this. But yeah, that's pretty much the video for today. Take it easy.